guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set any song as custom ringtone in Samsung A53 5G. But before you continue this video, as always, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support the channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, firstly you just have to open your settings. Here I'm gonna open my settings at the top right. And now in the settings page, go ahead to this sounds and vibration option. Now choose the ringtone. As you can see, I used 2 SIM cards, so here I'm gonna choose my second SIM. And then here you can see many options, but if you want to change to the song that you want, you just have to tap on this plus button at the top right. And now, as you can see, I not have any song, but if you have it, you just have to tap on this search and just type the title of your song. Here, I only have the Samsung default song. So here, I'm gonna choose my one and only song. For example, here I'm gonna tap on this song. And after, tap on the done. Like this. And I'm gonna go back. It will automatically save. Well, yeah, just it guys. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck!